Oceanographers Will Patterson and Joe Tarnecki are about to launch an ROV, a remotely operated robotic device with cameras and data collecting sensors.
There are 27 sites here that we've been studying now for about a decade. So we had a long time series of data before the oil spill, and now we've been revisiting them since the spill. So Joe will fly it from inside. Got it?
Got it. ROV is in the water at 10:05:41. All right, we're at about 100 feet now.
How you doing, Joe?
Just approaching the bottom now.
Not the
look
yellow.
at that, look at that.
Yeah, cool. It's a big stingray.
That's a big ray. What kind is that, Will? Is that a southern?
I didn't see the front of it.
I think it's a southern.
Probably a southern.
Yeah, it looks pretty here today. We should get some good footage.
One of the perks of being an oceanographer is having a front row view of an extraordinary world of diversity. But the team's primary mission is to study the impact of oil and dispersants on both natural and artificial reef habitats. After the oil spill, the team discovered that the population of the reef fish community dramatically decreased. But they also found that within a few years, their numbers rebounded to pre-spill levels. Yet there were profound changes. On average, the fish were now smaller and weighed less than before the spill.
Well, there's lots of different ways to think about impact of oil. So one thing that we've been looking at is growth rates. And we've seen in the years after the spill that for a few of these species for which we have quite a bit of information, that they're smaller at age than they were before the spill. So just because their numbers are similar to what they were, doesn't mean that there's no chronic impacts in the system.
But then Patterson and Tarnecki's work got a bit more complicated.